What's up everyone? Here's another extremely pleasant and beautiful location, the Salugu waterfalls. Just look at these waterfalls guys. The view is simply incredible. Words cannot describe the beauty of this place. Located near to the city of Destiny Visakhapatnam and very close to the place called Paderu. Paderu is a small hill station which is very famous for its cool weather, scenic locations and most importantly its waterfalls. This particular waterfalls, as you can see, is completely surrounded by thick vegetation which kind of makes it a hidden waterfalls. Without a doubt, one of the best places to visit and spend some time away from all sorts of pollution. If you love traveling, exploring new places, and if you love waterfalls especially, then this place is something that you cannot miss out on. On the way to this location, you will come across some beautiful mountain views, water creeks, and amazing landscapes and many more things which are very close to the nature. And you know, there's this famous quote, "The best views come after the hardest climb," perfectly fits here. You will need to trek for at least an hour to reach this waterfalls. The distance is only about 1 kilometer from the trek start point, but it is very difficult to reach the exact location as there is no proper trail. You will definitely need assistance from the locals to reach this waterfalls. I personally love camping at these kind of locations, and what I didn't like about this place is that you cannot camp here due to its uneven location, and I've also been told by locals that there are several snakes in this area, so it's not recommended to camp here. Nearly 73% of land area in Paderu block is under forest land, so it's not a safe idea to wander alone also in these dense forest. So if you're coming, do not come alone. Easiest way to reach this waterfalls is simply follow the Google Maps until the trek start point and then take assistance from the locals to reach the falls without any hassle. And there is no public transport to this place, so you'd have to arrange your own transportation. And guys, most important, please avoid plastic. Instead use steel bottles and containers for food and water storage. Plastic is our worst enemy, especially to our planet, and it is us who can save our planet from plastic. So please say no to plastic. Finally, if you're still watching the video, please do take a moment to subscribe to the channel so it motivates us to share more videos like this. Please watch the video till then if you can. All the best, stay safe, and remember, no plastic.